Hello, dear students. A word about the mega package, as you have many queries recently because of mega package. So first of all, what does mega package consists? It consists of the theory course, the complete theory course that includes PDFs as well as my video recordings of both obstetrics as well as gynecology. It's split into week 1 to 5, 6 to 10, and then 11 to 15. That means from week 1 to week 15. And it spans this phase because week 1 to 5 usually has the basics. Week 5 to 10, mostly the important obstetrics and gynecology topics. And 11 to 15 has mostly the government bills, government plans, statistics, oncology folder, and a big other important things which are important for the exam point of view. That's the theory course. That is one course that it contains. Mega package also contains all the entire composite theory theory answer bank. Okay, so that's spanning from 2017 onwards, all the papers, paper 1, 2, 3, 4 in both the sessions, including diploma question papers and their solvable answers. Up till the recent question paper of June 2025, including diploma as well as the main DNB theory part. Not only that, it contains also the complete practical package, which includes entire case discussions with the students, also the Gudda pelvis, ward rounds, needles and sutures, specimens, HSG, CTG, POPQ, so on and so forth. Drugs and instruments, of course. And the good thing about mega package is that all this bundle is heavily discounted. It also contains the live class recordings of the entire class they've taken so far, free of course. It's got recent advances, free of cost package, like I always give in the theory course separately as well. Not only that, recently we have all decided that everybody who subscribes to the mega course package will get any one revision blitz. That means I take usually a revision blitz of a theory course separately, a last minute revision group, and that of the complete practical package, again a revision group separately. One of those they'll get free of cost entry. Okay, I usually take this revision group and they are, separately discounted for my theory students, for my, answer bank students. But for mega course package, they get free of cost entry in any one of this revision blitz. For the other one, of course, they can and they might sustain the discount coupon. Now, as far as the advantage of mega course is concerned, one I've already told you. Second is it comes with a very heavy discount because it's got all the packages together once for you. And the most important and probably overlooked advantage is that when you move on to the complete practical package, that means you've given your theory and now you're about to give your practical. Usually what happens with my students who've only taken the theory course and the answer bank, it gets exhausted and it's gone. So now if you have to refer back to the theory notes, which you do many times, very often, or if I say I've recently discussed it with the answer bank and now the answer bank is gone because that the course is finished, validity is over. Very difficult to go back to those notes unless you've made your own notes. So this is where the mega course finally helps. You can always go back and see my theory notes. You can always go back and see my answer bank. You can refer to the live class recording anytime. All right. So the advantage of mega course package, biggest advantage apart from the heavy discount, apart from all these perks, is that you get all the theory notes, the answer bank right till the end date of your entire DNB curriculum, till you've actually passed the DNB. That's the advantage of mega course package. And all the students in which the ones who are going for the theory course package, which includes the mega family I have, MD, MS, DGO students who are also taking up my theory course, because of the crisp notes, very small and descriptive videos. I understand and thank you so much in all humility for this acknowledgement. Thank you so much for understanding and appreciating my notes and giving me your feedback, your very, very valuable feedback. I understand those people who are about to take theory course and answer bank separately. My request will be always think about going for the mega course because that will give you these kind of advantages with much more to get. And mega course also comes with installment options. So if you want to go for that, that is also a possibility. All right. So we've tried to make it as easy as possible. So just don't think about the cost factor. Just see that in the long run. That will be my earnest request to you. That's one thing. And the second ones who are now going in for the theory exam, it's very nice to see many of you starting this early. So I appreciate this change in the upcoming batch that they've started early. Very important two announcements. First of all, the theory bank, the theory entire course is going to be revamped very soon. Me and my students are working high on it, and we are trying to revamp the entire theory course with the latest notes, the latest guidelines, the latest excerpts, and the recent advances as well. That's one. And very, very soon I'll be starting dedicated classes for the theory course very soon, in which I'll be taking regular classes to make it easy for you. You don't have to do anything. Just leave it on to me, and I'll make you complete your theory course by my regular classes. I'll announce those classes very soon. And hopefully people who have already subscribed to my theory course as well as mega course will get a huge advantage with those classes. So see you in the classes very soon, and see you enjoying the advantage of my revamped theory course very soon. Now, one more very important thing. If you've taken the theory course or subscribed the theory course, let's say today, and I start revamping this theory course, let's say 2 weeks later, automatically the newer notes will be added or revamped to the course that you're actually seeing right now. So the moment I change, let's say, for example, preeclampsia or hypertensive disorders in pregnancy, there you will see the change immediately in real time. Okay, so don't feel that I've already taken the course and now ma'am is revamping, so whether I'll get the advantage or not. You will always, till the end of your validity. If anything I do, any change I do, any addition I do, any deletion I do, it will be reflected automatically to your package. I hope the things are clear now to everybody who's subscribing. And if you still have any doubts, let me know. My number is, as it is flashing on the page, 852-117-77181.